Welcome to our introductory tutorial video on Flint, the powerful visual programming tool. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of Flint and show you how to create amazing programs without writing a single line of code. So, let's get started. Flint is a user-friendly visual programming tool that allows you to create programs by connecting blocks together. Each block represents a specific function or operation, and by linking them, you can build complex programs easily. Let us assume we have to write a small firmware that reads two digital inputs, drives one LED with logical AND value of the inputs and another input with logical XOR value. Writing in C, typically this program will look like this. This calls for knowledge in C programming and underlying hardware. But with Flint Visual Programmer, all are automatic and easy. To begin, let's launch the Flint tool and create a new project in it. Click Create a Project in the Flint Navigator. In the New Project screen, select Flint Project Wizard in Flint. Next, enter some basic information about your project, such as the project name as Visual Programmer Demo, project type as Rapid C with Sparkley, and supported board as eStorm C2. In the next screen, select the default template as Custom and click Finish. First of all, we need data variables to store input and output values. In Data folder, create a new Sparkley data file and give it a name like Demo Data. A new file will be created in the Data folder and opened in the Data editor. Now add a new data variable named Input 1 inch of type unsigned 8-byte with range 0 to 1. Similarly, create three more variables, Input 2, and Output, and X or Output. Create a new Sparkley EFC in Rapid C folder and give it a name, say, LEDVP Demo. A new EFC file will be created and opened in Code Editor. On the left side, you will find a toolbox containing different categories of blocks such as variables, loops, conditionals, and more. On the right side, you have the Properties tab, where you can customize the settings of each block. First, we need to bring in the data variables created to the program. For this, drag and drop a read data boolean. Click on it to see its properties. Now, set the name as read input 1 inch and in the data ID field, browse and select the input 1 inch variable. Similarly, create another read data boolean block for input 2 inches and 2 write data boolean blocks for variables and output and X or output. And connect both read block to its input terminals. Connect its output terminal to the and output write block. Repeat the process for X or gate as well. Now we have the logic ready. Map the input variables to the GPIO pins and output variables to LEDs using System Configurator. To run the same, head over to the Flint Project Navigator and select the project and then click on the Export All button. This will kickstart the export process and generate the files needed to run this project. Once the export process is complete, you can find the binary file in the output folder. Now simply program this onto the eStorm C2 platform. With the program loaded, power on the platform. As you can see by playing around with these two switches, the LED behaves as expected. Congratulations! You have completed the Flint Visual Programmer tutorial. We hope this introduction has given you a good understanding of how to use Flint to create programs visually. Remember, Flint is a powerful tool with endless possibilities, so keep exploring and creating amazing programs.